Do you want to learn how to create a perfect C-shape side part? This video is for you. You will learn how to take this simple middle part to a very beautiful and perfectly slayed C-shaped side part. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Rosemary, and on this channel we learn about all things hair and wigs and beauty. We learn about beginner friendly tips, hacks, as well as pro tips and hacks. So if this is something for you and you would like to learn more about how to go about your wigs, then please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to achieve a C-shaped side part in your wigs. But first of all, we need to understand what a C-shaped side part is. A C-shaped side part is the side of the hair that is parted in a curved shape that resembles the letter C. So that's basically what it is. We use that for a deep kind of pattern, making it gives a lot of volume. For instance, if you're wearing a wavy or a curly wig, it gives a lot of volume in your face or on top of the hair. Some people like their hair to give them a bit of volume in the front part. So that C-shape side part gives exactly that. So that's what we are going to achieve in this video. It is very easy and very simple. Now, if you are someone who doesn't fancy the C-shaped side part, I will also show you another option that you can do, and I will do that first. So here are the tools and products that you will need for this. For all my ladies who prefers a straight pattern on your side, now you can achieve that by basically twisting your wig, okay, basically moving your wig to the side that you prefer the pattern to be on. I am wearing a 5x5 closure, that's why I am talking about moving the wig. However, if you have a frontal, then you don't have to move your wig. You only need to part the way or the side that you want the pattern to be. But if you are wearing a closure, a 4x4 closure, a 5x5 closure, or a 6x6 closure, 7x7, I think you are okay. You can still achieve that deep side part without moving it. But for a 5x5, 4x4, 6x6, you can easily just move your wig to the side that you want. I'm going to demonstrate this for you to see. Now I'm going to slightly lift the wig up and then move it to the side. Okay, now you do this, you achieve a side part. I'm going to move it a bit more. Now, as you can see, it's already creating volume on the side of my hair. So basically, this is the reason why a lot of people tend to like the C-shaped side part. Now, I have moved the wig. However, you can still see that it is not deep. If this is how you like your side part, then you are good to go. You are done. Now then, let's create the C part. As you can see, the pattern is already in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is I will take my tail comb, right? I'll place it where my eyebrow begins, okay? Then move it diagonally and move it to the hair, okay? Let's try again. Place it where my eyebrow starts and move it diagonally, right? Then now I'm going to take it into my hair, okay? As I'm taking it to my hair, I am now moving it to the shape that I want, okay? Then I am going to lift this up. Don't worry if you lift it up and you still see that it didn't create what you wanted it to create. We will clean it up, okay? So like this. Then I'm going to go back in and make it even more clearer from the front to the back. Now I like my side part to be on my right, hence the reason why I am doing it on my right. If you are someone that prefers on your left, you can easily do it on your left as well, the same process. I'll continue to go in to make sure that I'm having that C shape that I want. This side of the hair is not lying flat and that's normal. You have to keep going back in there to make sure that the shape is C.
One important thing to note is that when inserting the tail comb into the hair, you should create a slight curve. This curve motion will help form the C shape.
As you can see, I am not completely done yet, but I want to go in and put mousse on the hair so that it will be a bit cooperative with me. Then taking my comb, I will just comb this side down. So now it's laying flat a bit. Now I'm going to lift the hair up and move it to my right so that I can get that deep side part. So now that that is done, I'll go back to the shape and make sure it is as clear as possible. Then I will take my hot comb and then comb the hair down. I'll take my wax stick and apply very small amount on it. Hot comb. As you can see, the back I'm combing it in front so the shape can be more visible. Now this is how it's looking like, but to make it more defined, I'll go in with my foundation and my brush to just go in the line and make sure it is more defined.
So once you have finished creating the parts, you have to go back to restyle the hair. This step is very important because it helps to blend in with the rest of the hair.
Just to show you, this is what we just did. Okay, this is a C-shaped side part. So soon, guys, we have come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit on the notification bell so that you will not miss an upload. We upload every Friday around 6:30 p.m. So please subscribe to my channel and please share this video if it was helpful to you. I love you, but remember, Jesus loves you more, and I will see you in my next